Hello children, today I have a riddle for you. Can you guess what is it? You use it a lot. If it leaks inside your house, you need to call a plumber. It flows in rivers, lakes and streams. When frozen, it turns to ice. When boiled, it turns to steam. Tell me, what is it? Correct. It is water. And this is what our topic for today's lesson is. Do you know, children? Water is very essential for our life. Can you imagine a life without water? No, we cannot live without it. Not only us, all the living things, animals, birds, plants, insects, human beings, all need water. In our previous lesson, we studied about food, where we learnt that food is our basic need. Similarly, water is also our basic need. In this lesson, we will learn about importance of water, sources of water, and saving of water. So let's begin. Importance of water, which means why is water so important for us? It is because it has so many uses. We drink water. We also use water for bathing, cooking food, washing clothes, cleaning, watering the plants, and so on. Like us, animals and plants also need water to live. So children, we can see how water is so important for us. Now let us study about the sources of water, which means from where do we get water? Rain is the main source of water. The other sources of water are rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, tube wells, etc. These sources get water mainly from the rain. When it rains, the rivers, ponds, wells, etc. are filled with water. Some amount of this water seeps into the ground. We dig wells, tube wells, and hand pumps to obtain this underground water. So children, did you understand how we get water? Now, saving of water. Children, now that we know that water is very useful for all of us, we should not waste it. We should store water when it rains and use it later. We should use it for different purposes such as irrigation, washing, cleaning, etc. Do you know what is irrigation? Children, in our previous lesson we learnt about different food grains, fruits and vegetables. From where do we get them? These are grown by the farmers in big fields. And watering of these plants and crops are known as irrigation. So, for all these purposes, we can use rainwater after saving it. Water is very precious. Therefore, we must save it as much as possible. Now, what are some other ways of saving water? We can get the leaking taps repaired. We should always close the taps after use. We should never waste water while brushing teeth, bathing, or watering plants. We should try to use a bucket and a mug for these purposes and save water. So children, now that you know that water is very important for us and we use it daily for various purposes, we should save it as much as possible. I hope from now onwards you will be very careful while using water and try not to waste it. Your homework for today is read lesson 10, Water. Thank you, God bless you, and take care.